Do you deal with dark spot, hyperpigmentation, ingrown hairs, boils? I think that this is the right information that you're looking for. Hey Shug, it's your girl Taj Mahali, and this is a place for beauty bosses and skin enthusiasts, and today is all about bikini line health. Summertime's coming close, even though we may not necessarily be outside like we want to be. Pandemica is doing us dirty. We can still go ahead and take this time to take advantage of getting our bikini lines in check. You know I get a lot of questions about, ingrown hairs, hyperpigmentation, dark spots around this area, or just irritation in general from their form of hair removal. And I think that now is a great time to kind of talk about it, because my thing is, let's say even if we don't get to go outside like we want to, at least you can kind of be in hibernation mode and be working on that for the next time when it's time to pop out and you be ready to just show your hoo-ha to everybody, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that, alrighty? The first improvement that you can make to help improve inflammation or ingrown hairs on your bikini line is going to be high frequency, you guys. High frequency is probably gonna be your #1 friend throughout this whole situation. So there are gonna be some estheticians that are not gonna be happy with me telling you guys about this, but I feel like, especially with the conditions that we're in right now and the fact that we can't really do what we wanna do or move how we want to move, I think it's fine to tell y'all this. High frequency is going to be this wand. I'm gonna pop the picture up so you can see exactly what it looks like. It looks kind of erotic, it's not, promise. High frequency oxygenates the surface of the skin. So what that means is that it kills P. acnes bacteria and just underlying bacteria that is under the skin. If you are someone who suffers from ingrown hairs or ingrown bumps, or ingrown hairs that are right below the surface of the skin, this is gonna be a really, really great tip for you. Because I'm telling you, girls who claim to have boils, 9 times out of 10 it's not a boil, it's just an ingrown hair that's below the surface. This is what you need. Not only is high frequency good for ingrown hairs on the bikini line, but if you got a man and he shaves here around this neck and under the jawline area, and he tends to get really agitated or really irritated or suffers from ingrown hairs, this is gonna be for him too. It's a 2 for 1. Get your bae right, get your bikini line right, okay? Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. The girls are sleeping, but it's only because y'all didn't know. Next is, of course, the obvious one, exfoliation. I have a video talking about exfoliation on here. Exfoliation is like, people are on 2 different totem poles whenever it's like, when it comes to this. You have someone who exfoliates every single day, head to toe, and you got someone who doesn't even know what exfoliating is. So for those who don't know what exfoliating is, it's removing dead skin via physical means or via chemical means. Physical will be considered like a scrub. Chemical will be something like using an acid to help break down that dead skin and remove it, or like a chemical peel or something like that. Here's what the rules for bikini lines, because I know what you're thinking. And the answer is no. No sugar in the bikini line. No sugar scrubs in the bikini line. Let me tell you why. Sugar harbors bacteria. Bacteria has no business down there with your lady bits, because you already have your own set of bacteria down there. So throwing sugar down there can easily cause a party that we don't want, It can really throw off your ecosystem and your biome down there. Just don't do it. Now, if you want to use a scrub, pumice-based scrubs are gonna be your friend. However, I really am kind of just over scrubs, and I think that there's better things out there. My favorites are dry brushing or using exfoliating gloves. I love exfoliating gloves because they're very easy to use. Be right back, I'm gonna grab them. These are my exfoliating gloves. Exfoliating gloves are the best thing since sliced bread. You put these guys on, right? We put them on. You can apply your soap, or if you want to, you can just get them damp and you just rub it in. Just rub it in circular motions. You can go back and forth, I don't recommend it. For your bikini line, stick to circular motions. Sometimes exfoliating against the grain can kind of agitate the hair follicles, a whole nother problem. These are amazing because guess what? These are something that you can just go ahead, 30 days are up, you toss them. Anything that sits in your shower accumulates bacteria over a while. After about 30 days, you don't need to use these. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. You can get these off of Amazon. You can get these anywhere. These are very inexpensive. If you want something a little bit bigger, if gloves aren't your thing, you're a man, and you're like, I'm a big manly man and I can't do exfoliating gloves. This is an exfoliating rag. Or you might have seen the African net kind of scrubby guys. I don't know the right name. I don't want to be wrong. But this is a long towel, and you load this up with soap or you can just wet it, and this is very scrubby. Just once again, just use it like however you use all over your body if you want to. These are my jams. Let's talk about treating hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is something that I think is my #1 concern anywhere on the body whenever I have a client come in. These tips are strictly for your bikini line. I would never in a million years tell you to use some of these things on your face. I want you to remember your face has very, very different skin from your body. My favorite product for treating hyperpigmentation for the bikini line is this product called Kera White. Kera White is a Dominican-based product. It does have hydroquinone in it. So you will have to take a break in between using this product for after a couple of months. But when I tell you it works, it works. I use this during my vajacial treatment. I give a sample size to my clients whenever they go home. I would say using morning and night for about a month, and then after that just switch to a night for the next 2 months, and then after 3 months you're done. Another product that you can use is the PCA Dark Spot. I think it's a serum, dark spot serum. It comes in an orange glass bottle. I love that stuff too. I think that if you put them in conjunction, they would work great together. However, I don't say you necessarily need both. It probably might be a little bit easier to find that guy than the Kera White. You have to be very careful with Dominican-based products because a lot of people love to buy them and then it'll be fake, and it's just not what we want. So the PCA is awesome as well. You don't get as much, but it is more concentrated. There's that. Take it and run with it. Next, we're gonna talk about treating ingrown. You know, let's talk about the guys that have turned to bumps that a lot of people like to call boils, but they're not quite that yet. They're just an infected ingrown hair. I have 2 different kinds of products that I like for treating ingrowns. I really love these Skin Script glycolic and retinol pads. The beautiful thing about these guys, you might have seen me, I don't know if I've posted it yet, but I use them in my nighttime routine. Those are great for your face and your bikini line. They're a little bit more gentle, so I would say if you're someone who you don't get them too bad, you know, maybe you get a couple, like 1 or 2, then this is what you would want to get. Like, you want to talk about a routine, we're going to use our exfoliating gloves, then the glycolic and retinol pads, and then you put the Kera White. That is a coochie. A coochie. If you want to make them last a little bit longer, cut them in half. You don't need the whole thing. More bang for your buck. That's what we're all about here. Like, there's no reason to overbuy. And then you can also use another product that has been super popular amongst the girls lately, which is PFB Vanish. Listen, are you listening? Out of all the products that I've listed on the sheet, PFB Vanish is gonna be the best product that's on here. No cap. It is great. When I tell you, when you use the PFB Vanish, it helps to flatten out those that are like really big and bulky and under the skin very easily. Also, if you have ingrowns that are under the skin, if you really want to make a power combo, you want to make a hot compress. So getting a hot towel or a hot rag as hot as you can stand it, and then applying it to the areas on your bikini line and holding it until it cools down. That'll help to kind of draw, the heat will help to draw those things kind of closer to the surface if you're very diligent about it, and then you put your PFB Vanish on it. I promise, whatever's that's been chilling on your coochie line for the longest, I promise it's going to go away. This is even amazing for my men right under here. This is my #1 recommended product for men who have really, really bad ingrowns under here. PFB Vanish is gonna be a lifesaver. Now that we've talked about different treatments, I want to go in really quickly as to different methods of hair removal. You do not have to remove your hair. You really don't. However, since this is what I do, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. The only benefit to shaving is that it doesn't hurt. That's literally it. And it's inexpensive. Shaving usually tends to lead to a lot of ingrown hairs for so many people. And I personally don't like it. I think that we're past shaving, personally. I mean, but that's my personal opinion. You can do whatever you want to do. You also have waxing. I am a fan of waxing. I've been waxing for a while. Pros to waxing is that when you wax something, I'm gonna show you guys a before and after picture, or before and before picture. Boom. Okay, this is why I like waxing. Now, mind you, waxing hurts, but beauty is pain. No, I'm joking. It gets better. It won't be miserable for forever, and it's very quick. However, the benefits to waxing are so much better. I've noticed people are much less prone to ingrowns whenever they start waxing, and a lot of people notice that with the exfoliation that comes with waxing and their at-home stuff, it helps a lot. Your hair goes back a lot slower as well. Anybody knows that if you get a wax, like your hair, it's gonna take a while for it to grow back versus you shaving and by lunchtime we have stubble. You also have laser hair removal. I was taught laser hair removal, or I trained to do laser hair removal, and I think that that's a great option as well. What strays people away from laser hair removal is the cost. Also, what strains a lot of my brown babies away from it is because they're scared, and rightfully so. Laser hair reduction is really, really great at really decreasing the amount of hair that grows back. I mean, even if you're not looking to get rid of hair completely, I know I have a client who's a male who got his whole beard line lasered, and it doesn't mean that it doesn't grow, it just doesn't grow as thick. He's not as prone to ingrown hairs anymore, which is another pro. I just think that you have to be very careful. You need to do your research on your laser tech and on your business that you're gonna go to, or your med spa, just because they will jack you up. Every laser is not meant for every skin type. A lot of places get lasers and they are so worried about paying back the money, getting back the money from the laser, that they are just lasering any and everybody. And every laser doesn't do any and everybody, okay? I'm gonna just leave that where that is. We can have a conversation about that. Let me know if you want to talk about laser hair removal or reduction. I got you. Those are the three main ones. I mean, they're sugaring, but no. Aside from that, those are all my tricks, tips. These are my biggest tips that I have for those of you who are looking to kind of make your bikini line a little bit more clear, or you're looking to make it a little bit more even tone. Want to get rid of some of those ingrowns? I feel you, we've all been there. So drop your comments below. I will always keep a graphic of all the tips that I give to you in the description box. You can also visit mahalyspa.com. It's gonna have the adjacent blog going with this. But yeah, that's it. Make sure you follow me, you guys, on @taj.mahaly or @mahalyspa. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. We are alone together, you guys. We'll be back soon. Trust me, I miss waxing. I miss waxing. I miss my sweet. I miss doing things. But that's it. Everybody enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.